In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Agoda discount codes so you can save money on hotel bookings and flights. Travel can sometimes feel expensive, but with the right deals, you can make your trips much more affordable. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Agoda website, or open the Agoda app if you prefer. Once you're on the home page, log into your Agoda account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quick and gives you access to member-only deals and promotions. Now take some time to explore the promotions and deals section on Agoda. This is where you'll often find discount codes, special offers, and reduced hotel or flight prices. It's a good habit to check this area regularly because new deals are added often and some are only available for a limited time. If you're someone who travels often, make sure you work toward Agoda VIP status. By completing a few bookings over time, you can unlock exclusive member discounts and perks on hotels. These VIP prices are sometimes even better than regular sale prices, so it's definitely worth it. You should also keep an eye on big global sale events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Agoda usually releases major hotel and flight deals during these periods, and the savings can be quite impressive. Mark these dates so you don't miss out. Another great tip is to check trusted third-party coupon websites. Some websites list current Agoda promo codes and vouchers that you can apply at checkout for extra savings. Visiting these sites before you confirm your booking could help you save even more. By combining Agoda promotions, VIP benefits, seasonal sales, and coupon codes, you can significantly reduce your travel costs and still enjoy a great experience. So remember, always compare deals, check for promo codes, and book smart. Happy travels and enjoy saving money with Agoda.